Hi, this is attorney Michael Pariente of the Pariente law firm PC, John G. Watkins of counsel. I'm a criminal defense lawyer here in Las Vegas. I've been practicing criminal law for 20 years, and today I'm talking to you from my conference room at the Howard Hughes Center about what is called a PSI or a PSR. It's a federal pre-sentence investigation report. Now, I come across a lot of these in my practice because my practice is heavily geared to federal criminal defense. Now, what typically happens and why this document is so important is, I'll give you a hypothetical. Let's say that your attorney works out a deal for you to where you're looking at a sentence of 18 months, and he works out this deal with the U.S. attorney, the federal prosecutor in your case. So you take this deal, you plead guilty, you're thinking you're going to get 18 months, and then you get interviewed by the United States Department of Probation. Why do you get interviewed by them? Because they have to do, by law, a pre-sentence report, the PSI, let's call it. So they complete the PSI, and then what happens is they submit it to you and to the U.S. attorney. Now, it's not uncommon to where that report comes back and it recommends a much higher sentence than the sentence that you thought you had solidly worked out with the prosecutor. So what your attorney has to do is, your attorney has to file objections to those increases, because it's not uncommon where you're pleading guilty thinking you're going to get 18 months. Next thing you know, that the probation department is recommending you get maybe 36 months, depending on what sort of enhancements they are including or adjustments to the federal sentencing guidelines. So in any event, if you are being charged with a federal crime or you're being investigated for one, make sure that your attorney has a lot of experience in these type of cases. So if you're being investigated or prosecuted, you live here in the Las Vegas, Nevada, or Henderson area, come sit down with me in person, or if you're calling from out of state, let's talk over the phone about how I can help you.